back to the Event House channel, your home for all things hospitality. I'm your host, Jill Goldfein. Under this mask today, I am on location at the Willard Intercontinental Hotel in Washington, D.C. I am here to show you that meetings are coming back. I'm so excited to be at an in-person event today. I am going to show you some examples of room setups that are in a safe and socially distant fashion, and safe meal service, and other conference essentials so that you can feel very secure as you are considering bringing meetings back. So let's get started. The Willard Intercontinental Hotel here in Washington, D.C. has set up different rooms as examples of showcasing their safe and socially distant capacities, which right now in Washington, D.C. are at 25% for meal-related functions. So I can't wait to show you some more of how the day evolves, and we're really excited that meetings are coming back.
All right, so we have 3 per table set up. We have our appetizers preset, and then desserts are preset in the pink boxes. That way we only have one service for the entree to come out. We have our stage set up socially distant with 3 chairs for our speakers.
Wow, this looks great.
Our hotels are stationing someone at the coffee service and making the coffee up for you. So some of the hotels
Really here in this room today, and thank you for all of you to have made the journey despite the rain, to come with us and to come to us and enjoy the first real meeting live at the Willard. So thank you very much again and enjoy your day.
Here for Ally in DC. Just want to say thank you so much for coming out today. It's wonderful. I'm so proud to work for an organization that continues to pick up the ball and move it forward for the industry. Did you guys find today valuable? Get a lot out of it? That's great.